If you've ever stumbled upon a trendy-looking online store that seems almost too good to be true, then you'll want to hear this before shopping at Newskiki.com. This website markets itself as a one-stop fashion hub for jackets, hoodies, sweatshirts, pants, dresses, vintage-style outfits, and accessories like jewelry, shoes, and belts, all displayed in eye-catching images that make you think you found a hidden gem. But when you dig a little deeper, cracks begin to show that make you wonder if this is really a trustworthy place to spend your money. One of the biggest red flags is that many of the product images appear to be stolen from other sites, which suggests that what you see may not be what you actually get. On top of that, the store doesn't share any information about who runs it. No founder names, no team details, and no background that could help establish credibility. The address listed on the website also turns out to be fake, which raises serious doubts about whether there's even a real business behind the glossy storefront. Another issue is the pushy marketing tactics, with endless pop-ups and countdown timers designed to rush you into buying before you have time to think. And while most reliable stores feature plenty of customer reviews, Newskiki has none, leaving shoppers completely in the dark about the quality of its products or service. Taken together, these signs don't necessarily prove it's a scam, but they certainly don't inspire confidence either. In the end, Newskiki.com might look stylish on the outside, but with stolen images, fake details, and zero transparency, it's worth asking yourself if the risk is really worth it. Sometimes the smartest move in online shopping is to pause, research, and consider safer alternatives before clicking that checkout button.